As in other parts of the country and around the world, Manipur also observed the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatama Gandhi on Saturday. The state-level function was held at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. Governor Anusuya UK, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren, ministers, MLAs and high-ranking officials of civil and police attended the celebration. Floral tributes were paid to the bust of the father of the nation. Speaking to media persons, Governor of Manipur Anusuya UK said, "The contribution and sacrifice by late Mahatma Gandhi for the nation is priceless and praiseworthy. We should follow the path made by the late Bapuji." On the other hand, when asked about the present situation in Manipur, the governor further said peace has been prevailing in the state of Manipur. She appealed to the people of Manipur to maintain peace.
और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक स्वच्छता को लेकर जो अभियान शुरू किया है, स्वच्छ भारत, स्वस्थ भारत, इन सारे कार्यक्रमों में आप भाग लें और अपने नगर को, प्रदेश को और स्वस्थ रहें।